Alright, now to add a new client to the Firebase console, so inside the add client controller, we'll use this function, so let's rename it to add the client, and for sure it's gonna be nothing. Let's rename it here, add client, okay, it's gonna be a nothing. So here I need another variable, it's a collection reference, let's call it client reference equals Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection clients. Alright, this is it. And here let's show our loading, but we created. Let's show the loading, and it needs the context, so let's define it here, the build context. Maybe if we do that, no, let's define the build context. And now here adding the client to Firebase. So, wait, client ref dot add, and we need a map. So you have the name, his name, and we have the surname. Surname is surname. Let's make sure it is right at corner, and the credit. And we will also add the reference ID. So it's Firebase auth dot instance dot current user dot UID, and of course it's not null. And we also need a list of payment. So here we'll add a payment. It's an empty list. Alright. So here we have the argument context. Now let's see if we can add our client test. Let's say, oh no, we do have a problem here. So has not been initialized. Alright, we do have a problem here, of course, yes. What we forget is here inside the add client screen, sign up, or of course not the sign up controller, but the add client controller dot. Alright, let's start from the name. So the add client controller dot name equal value. Okay, equal value. Same thing for the surname, and for the credit. We need to parse this to parse the value, because it's a string, as you can see. So here add client controller dot credit equal double dot parse value. What is the problem here? Can be asset string. No. Of course, credit is a string. Now it's a double. And now if we add a client, let's first take a look to our database. This is our database. Let's add the client test, credit is, and let's add it again. If we refresh this now, this is the client. The credit, the name, the surname, and the reference ID. This refers to the current user. This one.